Hey beautiful people, so I wanted to do a different type of video, something that I have been dealing with for the past maybe 2 or so days. I've been noticing an influx of ants in my master bedroom, shower, bathroom situation. I don't know if it's because of the temperature rising and they're on the hunt for water, but I've noticed that they have been just randomly appearing. I haven't had any issue with ants other than, like I said, within the last 2 days, but I have found something that I've been doing some research and everybody's been saying that this is the end all be all. And let me tell you, I have put these things down within the last hour. Well, it's probably been less than an hour, and they're already taking the bait. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is what you want to go and buy. This taro liquid ant bait. Oh my God. Okay. I just so happen to get the pre-filled one. But they do have the just regular squeeze one that you can just squeeze onto whatever surface that you need it on. You can literally put a drop of this stuff. You can literally just put a drop of this stuff and they will flock to it like flies to doo-doo. Okay. Let me show you what I am talking about. Okay. So as you can see, I am outside. This is the side of my home here. And what they're doing is they have a line going from here up the side of my house. As you can see, all of that going up. Do you see this? So I have another one up here by my fireplace, and it is filled with these things. I mean, they're all in the inside. So what's going to happen is they're going to eat this stuff. They're going to take it back to their home, and they're going to feed it to their queen. They're going to feed it to everybody, okay? And they're going to die. But this thing is literally filled with them. So I have multiples, and as you can see, they're going some of everywhere. I don't know. They definitely weren't coming. I have some cucumbers out here, but they weren't coming for that. I have no idea where they were going for. But I'm also going to put another one down here because it seems like they're also going in this crack. So I'm just trying to stop them in their tracks. And yeah, but it's so many of them. And like I said, they're going all around the side of my home. That's my master bedroom window up there. But I don't know if they're crawling all around through the cracks and leading up to the bathroom or what. But get some of this stuff. And I'm noticing even already the ants that were in the shower, they're no longer there. So they are signaling each other to come and eat off of this liquid ant bait. And again, I have one up here and it's filled on that one too. So if you are seriously looking to get rid of ants, get you some taro. You will not, okay? You will not be sorry. Like I said, I've read amazing reviews on this. I got this from Walmart. You don't have to buy this stuff online. You can get it from Walmart, Lowe's, Target, Home Depot, or whatever. Now, if you just so happen to not be able to get to a store, they do have it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, but you can go right to Walmart, pick this up, and you don't have to worry about waiting if you have an ant problem. Trust me. Taro, save your life.